Just took this one off. That looks like shit. So that makes me think that the shift arm's been swapped out. I may actually may just send this back until I figure out what's going on with this shifter. Maybe it's got an aftermarket show shift kit that I don't know about. That's a bummer. Hey guys, before I order the Science of Speed S-style shifter, I bought the eBay one and it sat really tall, like it didn't thread all the way down. This is probably 300-400 grams. It's cool, but it sits a little low, and I wanted something to sit just a little bit taller. So like instead of down here, maybe like more like up here. I think it'll give me a little more leverage for a smoother shift. But my question to you, does this look like a stock shifter? I can't tell. It looks like this has been replaced, this whole unit here. But is this stock height? And so I'm going to measure from the base here. It's probably not the right way to measure it. Up to the top of the shifter. You can probably see, I'll move this a little closer. It's probably, give or take, 3.5 inches. The thread portion, the portion that's threaded, is a little under 1 inch. Actually, it's a little over 1 inch. Let's just call it 1 inch. Is this stock, is my question. I just want to order the right Science of Speed shifter that should thread all the way down. The aftermarket eBay one didn't thread all the way down, and it was like, it stopped here, and there was this big gap. So, just looking for some help, guys. I really appreciate it. This is before. It's a little bit low, and I wanted something just a little bit taller to give it more leverage. So let's see if the SOS shift knob does the trick. All right, I got the Science of Speed shifter in. It sits, so there was this little, I think it's aluminum. I mean, it seems like high quality stuff, this shifter that I took off. It sat probably like right up here. And I thought it was just a little too low. And I have high hopes for this because A, it sits a little taller, and with the extra weight on top, it's gonna make the shifting a little smoother. Oh yeah, I can definitely feel that I have more leverage up here versus this being so far down, and it feels like the shift is like a little stiffer. It's a little taller than I would like, so I may get the lower. So I would want it like, here's where this one was down here, here's this one down here. Maybe somewhere in the middle would be cool. So I may get the actual metal shifter that allows it to sink lower. But for now, I think it looks really cool, and I'm excited to give it a spin. It feels good in my hand. And to all of you that helped me figure out like if I had a stock shifter or not, thank you to all of you. I'm excited. It's a great community, and I think it looks really cool. Thank you.